Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make some very quick pickles. Another term for it is refrigerator pickles. They're ready in about 2 weeks to a month, depending on how long you can wait. And I've got some cucumbers here, the last of the bunch. I'm going to be doing, this will be my third jar of pickles, and I thought I would record the third jar. So I've got a pickle there. That's a different type of pickle, but I've got two there. I've got a few more in here somewhere. I saw another one in there. Oh, there's another two right in there. There's one there. There's one in there. Our season is really coming to an end very quickly now, but I've got a bunch in there. So I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to pick those. I'm going to wash them, and then we'll come back and start the recipe. All right, I'm back. I just wanted to show you what I've gathered from the garden here, and that's basically it. There's a couple of other ones, but they're very, very small. So that'll be a decent sized jar of pickles there. So on to the recipe. Hey everybody, now we are ready to start off the recipe. So I'll go quickly through the ingredients. For our recipe today, we need equal parts of water and vinegar. I have 1.5 cups in each. So that is equal to 375 grams of vinegar and 375 grams of water. I've got my cucumbers just out of the garden and I have washed them all down. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 24 grams. If you have fresh garlic, that's even better. 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar, 15 grams. And then I have 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of pickling salt. 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of pickling spice. And I've also decided to add in some dill, and this here is 1 teaspoon of dill, and it's about 1 gram. It is super, super light. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. And this is really, really simple, and it takes 5 minutes to do. So get yourself a saucepan. Into that, we're going to add the water, our vinegar. So these are equal parts of water and vinegar. Okay. Our garlic, dill, sugar, the pickling salt, and our spices. And that's it. And all you do is you put this on the stove and just bring it up to a boil for about a minute or so, and that's all you need. So now let's get on to the pickles. And then for your pickles, you can cut them into any size that you want. I keep calling them pickles, but they're cucumbers. So now we're ready to fill our mason jar with our cucumbers. What I did was I took some boiling hot water and just put it into the mason jar and just swished it around a little bit just to make sure that everything was nice and clean. And then you're just going to start taking your cucumbers and just sliding them in just like this. I'll make sure that I'm on camera. And you just start getting them all in there. Most of my cucumbers are now in here. There were a couple that I couldn't get in, and there were a couple that were just a little bit too long, so I just cut off the edge on each one. There's like 1 or 2, no, 3 of them in there that didn't fit properly. So now everything's in there. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring up our mixture to a boil. I'm going to let that go for about, a minute, 2 minutes maximum. Once that's come up to a boil, then I'll come back and then we're just going to pour it into the mason jar, and that's it for the video. And then what you'll do is you'll just take them, let them cool down, and then put them in the fridge, and don't try them for a good week or so. Now that my mixture has come to a boil, I'm just going to let it go like that for about 2 minutes. Then I'll turn off the heat. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll add it to our mason jar. So now that this has boiled and cooled down, we're going to get it right into our little mason jar here. Now this is my third time doing this, so I know it's about the correct amount of liquid. And then I want to make sure that I get all of those spices in. You can't see this, but I'm just scraping them all out. I want everything out. This recipe here is considered a fast pickle recipe, or another name for it is refrigerator pickles. So basically you just get the lid on, let it cool down, and then put it into your fridge. These will get better with time. After a week, try one for fun, see how they taste, and then wait another week and try a couple more. And then by the third week, you're going to see a really nice improvement on the pickles. Anyway, really fast recipe. I am no expert by any means, so if you have comments, please put them down in there. If you've got suggestions for the next bunch, I'm probably not going to be making any more this season because my pickles, or my cucumbers rather, are all finished, but next year I am going to definitely be making more. So that's it. Thanks for watching this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can also check me over there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I should also mention, every once in a while, just give them a little shake. You know, every week or so, just get in there and give a little shake just to get all of those spices and all that goodness all around in the mason jar. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.